Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue one ingredient slime recipes. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make one ingredient no glue slime recipes. So this has been requested lately on my channel for me to do this because you guys seem to really like one ingredient slime recipe because they're really super easy to make. And yeah, also I did my nails for Easter and they already got chipped, so that's fun. But let's get into the first recipe. So the first recipe is no glue thick shampoo slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is shampoo, and I got this super tiny shampoo from Walmart a couple weeks ago, and here it is. The next thing you guys will need is a bowl or plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. I'm using this little cake pop stick, like stirrer. So I'm first going to take out my bowl or plate, and I'm going to get adding in my shampoo. And you want to make sure this shampoo is super thick for this recipe to actually work. So that looks like just enough, and now I'm going to put this away. And now what you're going to do is you're just going to mix it together. And you can already tell it's thick is if you start mixing it, it already starts clumping up together. And when all the bubbles are formed, which is about now, that's when you know it's all done mixing. And now what you're going to do is you're going to put this into the refrigerator for about an hour or two, and you're going to take it out every 30 minutes to check on it and stir it up to make sure it's working. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay, so it's been about an hour to 2 hours, and here is the slime, and I'm really excited to see how this worked out. So I'm going to put my stirrer in here and mix it up, and I can already see stuff is forming. Ooh, it seems like a slime type of thing already formed, which is really cool. I'm going to put it on the table so I don't like spill it everywhere, because it did rise a little bit from all the mixing, because if you mix a lot or stir it up, it basically forms in size. And you can see this is how it turned out, and it's super sticky because I feel like I should have put it in there for a little bit longer. But you can tell that this recipe formed, and it made a really cool slime. I feel like I'm actually going to pop this into the freezer for a little bit more time because this still is super sticky, and I don't really want this all over me right now, but it did form really awesome. And you can see there's like clumps in it and stuff of the soap that I mixed up a lot. So this recipe was a win-win, and I'm just actually going to put this into the freezer till the end of the video and I'll show you guys how it turned out. But let's move on to the next no glue one ingredient slime recipe. Okay guys, so the next one ingredient no glue slime recipe I'm going to show you guys today is how to make mouthwash slime. So the ingredients I need to make this slime recipe today is mouthwash, and I got this the same time I got the shampoo from the last recipe. You guys will also need a bowl or plate to make your slime in, and last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Also, I'm sorry if you could hear any windy noise in the last video clip. I'm in a new location, if you guys haven't noticed, for my past couple of videos, because I've been filming in my room more often because the lighting is super good and I like this little setup I've been doing. So how you make mouthwash slime is actually just very simple. You're going to get your mouthwash out, and you're just going to add it into your bowl, and I'm just going to use this blue one. And that looks like just enough. And you don't need too much of the mouthwash slime, you're just going to need that much. And I'm actually testing this out because I've never really done a mouthwash slime recipe, so I want to see if this works out, and if it doesn't work out, that's okay. We'll see if it worked or not. And I'm just going to mix it up. Okay, so that looks like enough mixing, and that's probably all I can do is just get bubbles to form in it. And now I'm just going to put this into the refrigerator for about an hour, and I feel like I'm just going to keep it in there. I'll mix it maybe every 30 minutes as well, and I'll see how it turned out. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay, so it's been about an hour, and here it is, and nothing happened. I can already tell nothing happened. I feel like I need to do something updated with mouthwash slime, maybe like add a soap into it the next time I do this recipe, because you can see it's just still water. If I tap on it, it's just going to be mouthwash. and nothing really worked, and I used the one that everybody uses, which is Crest, and I know if I use this one it's probably gonna be the same thing. And yeah, maybe don't waste your mouthwash for this. I'm gonna try to make an updated recipe where I add soap into it and maybe see if it makes a thicker soap slime. But yeah, so this is how the recipe went out. It was unfortunately a fail, and this was the first fail for the video. But yeah, so let's move on to the last and final no glue 1 ingredient slime recipe. Okay guys, so the last and final no glue 1 ingredient slime recipe is baby soap slime. So the ingredients guys need to make this slime recipe today is baby soap, and I'm using the Johnson's brand. The next thing you guys will need is a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to take up my bowler plate and I'm going to add in my baby soap. And I got the same baby soap about a couple weeks ago from Walmart. And I've never done that yet, but you just pop it out and there you go. And now I'm going to get adding it into my bowl. And baby soap is super thick. I did a recipe with baby soap maybe about like a year ago, and it worked really well. So I want to see if this is updated. And it's actually super clear. For some reason I thought it was going to be yellow, but that's probably just the paper and sticker right there. Okay, and that looks like enough. And now all I'm going to do is just mix it. And wow, this is actually a super thick soap. I can already tell from mixing it. That is enough mixing. I mixed so much actually for this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pop this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and every 30 minutes as well. I'm going to take it out and mix it up and make sure it's not frozen or it's getting like hard, or like even if it's just like, I don't know, like watering down, I mix it up. And that's like a big step I always do in my videos. And I want to make sure you guys are doing that too, because if you already see it's failing, maybe like try your best and mix it up some more. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about, I'm going to say around an hour and a half, and here is, and I can already tell it worked out pretty well. I'm going to get out the soap I use as well if you guys want to try this recipe. And let's see how it turned out. This turned into such an awesome slime. It is sticky, as well as most no glue slimes will be when you first make them. But this made really, really awesome soap slime, and I mixed it up so much that it actually made it super foggy. It's way foggy than it was when I first made it. But this recipe turned out amazing, and I'm actually really, really happy with how it turned out, since it is actually, I think this is my first time I used that soap actually. I used another type of brand a while ago. It was like a baby oil Johnson soap. But this recipe is a super duper duper win-win. It made awesome thick no glue slime. And I really hope you guys try it out, and if it doesn't work, maybe try my brand if it doesn't work with my brand either, because sometimes that happens. I've done videos where I used a soap and it didn't work, but this one turned out really well, and I'm very, very happy with the turnout of this. This one was a super duper big win-win. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Here's all of the slime recipes I tried out, and here are the ones that worked as well. So the first one was the shampoo one, and I actually put it back in the freezer, and it didn't really work out very well, but it did turn out into a slime texture. I'm just gonna put it into the freezer a little bit more, and maybe I'll update it on my Instagram. So go check out my Instagram, KawaiiToyCollectorYT, if you want to see if it worked out. But then the mouthwash slime was a fail, unfortunately. But the slime that I loved from this video was the Johnson's Baby Soap Slime, and this one worked actually amazing, and I'm very happy with the turnout of that. But thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. In the comments down below, give us some video ideas. And remember to check out all my social medias. And bye guys, love you, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye! Hey, so thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. So how I'm going to tell is who watched till the end of the video is if you answer this question, what you're most thankful for, since it is Easter this Sunday. So I'm actually going to be commenting back to the people who say what they're most thankful for in the comments down below. And that's how I'm going to tell who watched till the end of the video. But I wanted to say also, I am super, super close to 700,000 subscribers. And for that, I'm going to be doing a giveaway right when I hit 700,000 subscribers, since so many of you guys have been asking for another giveaway. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do for the giveaway yet. I might do AirPods. I might do squishies and slime. I don't know yet. Put that in the comments down below what you want me to do for the giveaway. But yeah, I'm also super close to 2,000 followers on my Instagram. So go check out my Instagram as well. All my social medias are linked down below. Bye guys, love you, in peace. And I hope you have an amazing Easter. Bye.